Can animals tell us about how long they are going to live or when they are going to drop their bodies? Hi, my name is Akshaya Kavle. I am a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species and have two-way conversations with them. Nature at large is extremely aware of themselves, and therefore they are also aware of their environment around them. They are in sync with their own energy physically as well as energetically, and therefore they are very spiritual in nature. A lot of times humans reach out to me to understand if their animal is ready to transition or drop their bodies. While it may not be necessary that each and every animal needs to give us a time and a date for them to transition, in many cases, animals are aware of how their bodies are responding to everything that's happening around them and if it is time for them to drop their bodies. In a recent conversation that I had with a 16-year-old dog, I experienced this. This human reached out to me extremely distressed, wanting to know what her 16-year-old dog needs from her to be able to feel more comfortable. The dog was completely immobile and was not eating anything for several days. In fact, he was supposed to be given saline to keep him alive. When I connected to the animal said that as much as he would love to live longer with the humans, there is only so much his body can take and tolerate. He is all of 16 years old and he has completed his journey with his humans. He is only waiting for the humans to accept it and allow him to go because their acceptance is extremely important to him. I asked him what would he want his humans to do for him, and all he said was he wants his humans to sit by him and verbally tell him that it is okay for him to go. Only then will he be able to drop his body. He was very confident that he wants to go on his own and not to be assisted in that through euthanasia. I conveyed this message to the human and the entire family sat by the dog and told him it is okay to go. Remember that telling this to the animal didn't just mean that they have to verbally say it, but they genuinely needed to mean it, and only then would it make sense to say it to the animal, because just saying things won't make any difference. As soon as they did it, within a couple of hours the animal passed away peacefully because he knew that the humans are able to deal with the trauma and bereavement of losing him. The human immediately reached out to me and told me that the animal passed away peacefully right after they told him that it is okay for him to go. This is how aware animals are about themselves, and therefore this is how animal communication can help in understanding and respecting their wishes and fulfilling them to the best of our ability. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful.